Do you like peanut butter and jelly? Do you like hot dogs? You want to put them together? No? We're gonna do it anyway! Here we go. Here's some more fusion food that nobody asked for.
Today we'll be making PB&J Hot Dogs.
I really like to become the chef that I am recreating the recipe, so I'm just gonna go down to her level.
Take your dogs and make them hot. DJ, I'm a DJ. It's getting really pimply.
You know what makes food really delicious? When you say it has pimples on it, because everybody wants to eat pimples.
We're gonna put in the jam or jelly.
Let's jam my buns.
Beauty. This is gonna be delicious. Okay.
We're gonna add our peanut butter to a pastry bag. For this easy recipe, this is totally something that everybody has in their friggin' house. It is very satisfying.
All right, I'm gonna take my first bite. Cheers.
Can't just stare down the barrel of this thing forever. Gotta put it in my mouth. That is a tad surprising. It's kind of good. My brain's a little broken. It's okay, guys. It's okay.
Victory!